Hi, Alexandra. How do basic security systems work?
Well, Luca, the office dog, and I are here to tell you about that. So, how basic security systems work is that most security systems have door contacts and motion detectors, as well as smoke detection and things like flood monitoring and low temperature monitoring. And these are all devices that are connected to a main brain of a system that communicates to a central station. So when one of those things is activated, like a door is opened or something crosses in the path of a motion detector, that device sends a signal to the main brain, which then sends a signal to a central station. That central station will get the signal and call the homeowner and call one phone number, let it ring a couple of times, and unless the homeowner confirms it's a false alarm, they will then call the police or the fire department or emergency responders in the case of a panic button or something like that.